All right, so we're going to load the machine. Put your Claycopter on the hub. We're going to first do it in manual mode, which is just this pedal. So we're going to put it in manual mode. I've already set my speed to about 60%. So whenever our shooter is ready.
Ready?
All right, shooter ready.
Ready.
Here we go.
Pull.
Good shot. Okay, now we're going to try it in remote mode. So as if this machine were on a table, we wouldn't have to bend over to load the machine every time, but we're going to use the foot pedal instead of the onboard pedal. So we're going to switch into remote mode. Now we're going to use this foot pedal. Whenever your shooter's ready.
Pull.
Ready? Here we go.
Nice shot.
Really good.